Hi, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and this week we are on the Geo Week in Denver, Colorado. Check out what new cool stuff you can figure out here. I got the information there's around 2,000 people here on this conference. The Geo Week is a combination from 3 shows. There's Forma-Spa 3D for scanning, then we have AC Next for digital construction, and then we have also a conference holding to photogrammetry and remote sensoring. And I think this is the biggest show in the North American market. And now we go to the exhibition hall. Yeah, we are on the Teledyne booth together with Wayne. Maybe Wayne introduced them, what he's doing in Teledyne.
Thank you, Eric. It'd be my pleasure to introduce you to some of our products and the offerings that we have here at Teledyne Geospatial. So, to start off, what we're presenting here today ranges between our tripod-mounted system, which is what you're seeing here is now in industrial enclosure for applications in monitoring, mobile applications and mining. We have our compact LiDAR CL360 model in the back, which we're targeting towards a lot of integrators who are now offering a very high-end LiDAR mapping system with the CL360.
There came an update though, this last year or the beginning of this year, that you have this higher version or the better version, there's HR or the HD version, or?
We have split the offering to an HD, which is very competitive for your typical low-altitude drones and applications, as well as mobile. We also offer an XR version, which allows for the higher altitude and higher capability operation, more suited towards the growing market of BV loss and beyond visual line of sight and longer endurance.
Yeah, maybe then we go here on the other side. Maybe, I think many of the German and European clients, they know the Polaris. Maybe this is a little special, but based on Polaris, they know maybe this sensor, but that you are, I think that's maybe also your biggest product, the biggest volume of your company. We can, for the guys who don't know what the black box is, maybe you can say what there's inside.
Okay. Yes, our primary product offering is our Galaxy T2000 model, offering 2 million points a second, anywhere from 100 meter altitudes to 5,000 meter altitudes.
Yeah, that's for the guys. You put this in an airplane. That's for the survey airplane. And what Wayne showed me, that the new one is that some customer now combine 2 of these sensors in one and have a very dense point cloud, because normally you have one sensor going straight, and now you have 2, they're going like this.
So we have a product offering now where you put 2 Galaxies together, and in a single flight you can get the highest data density of any system on the market.
So this is the highest what you can get. Cool.
Because you're looking at 2,000 points per second directed to the ground off of each scanner, and you have 2 scanners, so 4 million points per second.
Is calibration then important? That's like a calibration plate,
Very important.
Especially if you come from a short basis to the long distance.
Long range, that's critical.
You need a very exact one. But it's one big plate, and then you mounted the plate.
You put your IMU on it for your attitude information and your GPS.
And then you grab this, come in the airplane, like complete. And then we have this product. I think this is
this is
the dummy
scale of our Seasmill. And we're very proud to be able to announce that a company called Dewberry here in the United States has recently purchased a Seasmill system. The Seasmill's advantage is producing a 532 nanometer blue-green laser for water depth, mapping the seafloor or mapping whatever else you find in the water column, and getting as well as a topographic 1064 nanometer laser to go off the surface. That's our other system.
And then another development, but we don't have it, we don't show it here, but there's also the integration that the Optec products in Teledyne merge more and more together with the other Teledyne products like the sonar systems and
yes, we are constantly and looking for opportunities now to work with companies such as Teledyne FLIR and their camera technologies, Teledyne also with their machine control cameras, and Teledyne Marine. So Teledyne Marine offers your acoustic sonar, and then they use our CL360 to map above the water surface.
Yeah, that's very cool. Thanks for the quick introduction of all the interesting products here, and I wish you success for the rest of the show.
Thank you. Pleasure talking with you.
Yeah, bye. Hi, we are here on the GeoSLAM booth. I find a new face for me, but it's not for new for GeoSLAM. No. Maybe you introduce you. What is your function?
Hi guys, my name is Gabriel. I am the Latino America Channel Manager here in GeoSLAM over the last 5 years.
Yes, and why we are here is this product. I think it was first introduced on the InterGeo, and now we can see that is your new camera. What's the name? Z-Cam?
That's our new ZEB Vision camera. Yeah. It's a panoramic camera, 4K camera. It's assembled directed by GeoSLAM, which allows our customer to have a very and good, better colorization of their data.
And here we see some first results, like data sets.
As we can see here, we have a new data setting, a new colorization from our ZEB Vision. What we can see is the colors really defined very good, and we can see the top of the trees as well is a bit of white because of the weather in England when we collected the data.
Okay, as if you have more sunlight, you get better data.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, everybody knows that the rainy weather of UK is maybe not the best for marketing. Yeah.
No, it is because there's a lot of different colors and we can see the better colorization.
Okay, good for now. Thanks for your presentation.
No, thank you very much.
And I wish you success here on the Geo Week.
Very success, GeoSLAM, for Point Cab and for Laser Scanning Europe. Yeah. And looking forward to see you guys in InterGeo in September.
Right, bye. Yeah, hello here from the ClearEdge booth. I'm pretty happy to have two gentlemen here, Kevin and Kelly. Maybe you can introduce your short to the audience.
All right, I'll start off. I'm Kevin Williams, and the founder of ClearEdge 3D, and this is Kelly.
Yeah.
Kelly Cohn. I'm VP of Product Management, so I'm responsible for all the software, including the bugs.
Yeah. I know Kevin from 12 years, or from InterGeo 2009 or 10, I think. Yeah, 2010, I think. And he have to do in the beginning everything by himself, but now he can more be the technical guy, and
smarter people now.
Yeah, you have the smarter people, and Kelly explained now for us the newest development in the ClearEdge software products.
Absolutely. So, Edgewise is still our primary product, and it helps accelerate scan to BIM. We like to say it gives you a big head start on that process, and we now have it all packaged together into one nice big suite, so you don't have to pick up little modules here and there and buy them all separately.
Make it easier also for us as dealer, it's not so many items,
Exactly, nice and easy. And then our newest products are really targeted at construction QA/QC, so validating that work gets installed correctly.
Okay.
So that's our Verity and our Rhythm products. Verity compares models to point clouds automatically and will tell you any deviations between the two.
Okay.
And Rhythm is focused on floor flatness, but it's really built on
floor flatness. Okay, that's our standard. Floor flatness. Okay.
Yes.
But it's an application we have in Germany too, but we don't. Everybody do something by their own. There is some regulation, but not that somebody put it in a software and they don't have it in the moment. I think it's good that you have this. Is this standard from the USPS? Or where the standard coming from?
So that comes from the
is this there's an
ASTM? So it's an ASTM standard, the 1157, and basically it defines a very specific procedure for testing floor flatness. But we also do heat maps and contours and grids of points and lots of other ways to measure flatness. But kind of the banner feature is that very specific report to meet the American standard. Not so useful in other markets, but all the other stuff that it does works.
Yeah, did I saw yesterday that you run this TopCon station in your software? Or is this also a new feature?
So actually, our newest product, which launches next week,
is
this is something in collaboration with TopCon. So It is an in-the-field registration solution for Topcon scanners.
Okay.
And we get to brag that right now, at least, we're the only ones that can do a true full C2C graph with survey control, hybrid bundle adjust in the field, so you can walk out of the field with a truly completed registration, not just like a pre-registration. So it works, drives Topcon scanners. So
what do you see development in the market? You see more the AC and control of scanning of building process. Is this the market for the future, or it is more feature extraction, doing more on this, or did you have an idea what you can share with the people? Or?
Absolutely. So I think we're going to still have a need for feature extraction for a long time. So Edgewise is still going to be driving that business for us, but what we're really seeing a shift is more frequent scanning, smaller projects, out on job sites, kind of active capture of what gets built, and wanting real-time analysis in the field. Is that work installed correctly? Is the floor flat, et cetera, et cetera. And so, what we're really trying to do is kind of take some of Topcon's equipment, some of our expertise in software, and we're trying to package these things together to deliver that to our customers.
That's one solution.
Yeah,
that you can actually now you can purchase everything from the Topcon. You can have the hardware with your software, have a complete solution, or somebody have another sensor and then you can use your software as well.
Yes, yeah, and we're always going to be vendor neutral on sensors and input formats and output formats, but yeah, we do get the opportunity to drive their scanners in a way we don't get to drive other people's scanners, so we can do some stuff that's unique with them.
Okay, cool. Then good for now, and I wish you success with the rest of the show.
Thank you. Same to y'all.
Yeah.